Here's the obligatory. I saw a lot of people doing this on the internet and thought I might share it. I'm replacing a starter on an S10 2001. As you can see right here, I've got it taken off. Teeth inside there look good. I've seen a lot of people take off this exhaust here. It's kind of unnecessary. There's a bar there that bolts to that little extra bolt hole there, and that should give you plenty of room to wiggle the starter out. You see these two wires hanging down here. Those can actually be accessed from right through here. All this is backwards because it's there we go. Hello. So using a few extensions, you can screw those couple of wires back on your starter. I actually used a 3/8 long with just a screwdriver stuck in the back instead of the ratchet, and double long extender with a 1/2 inch on it to get through right there and get to that wire. I recommend doing these wires before you bolt it in, and then you can replace this guy back to that hole yonder where it originally goes, and that seems to be a lot easier than taking off the tire and all kinds of exhaust like I've seen some people do. But hopefully that helps. Good luck with your project.